How to fix URL signature expired in Messenger. Hello everyone, it's me Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. To do that, just make sure that you have installed the latest version of Messenger. If you have already done so, then just long press on the Messenger that you've already installed. Tap on App Info. After tapping on App Info, a pop-up will be seen on your screen. And after that, clear all the data from here. Go on the storage and clear all the cache as well, and the user data as well. Make sure to clear that. Now go back and scroll down and down. Tap on data users, so there is no data right there, and tap on app permissions. After tapping on app permissions, make sure that all the permissions are allowed and the connection is also stable, and tap on notifications after this, and also enable all the notifications right here. So if you have done this all, then you can simply uninstall and install your Messenger again, and the problem will be solved. Hope this video helped you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our video.